Welcome back to Clean Tech Talk. This is the brief on the Kia and Genesis fuel leak recall and modern engine cleaning. The recent recall of over 235,000 Kia and Genesis vehicles for fuel pipe leaks has turned routine engine cleaning into a highly flammable nightmare, proving why traditional methods are dangerously outdated. First, traditional cleaning is a huge liability for today's vehicles. Water-based degreasers totally ruin sensitive electronic control units, while chemical solvents mix with gas vapors to create a massive fire hazard. I mean, think about it. Would you wash your plugged-in laptop right in the sink? That's essentially what a water rinse does to today's sensor-packed engine bays. Second, dry ice blasting is the necessary technological leap here. It uses solid CO2 pellets that instantly transition from solid to gas, a pretty wild process called sublimation. Plunging to minus 109.3 degrees Fahrenheit, or minus 78.5 Celsius, that extreme cold freezes the fuel residue, making it completely brittle. This creates tiny micro-explosions that safely lift the grime away. Plus, it's totally dry, spark-free, and non-conductive. Finally, there's a serious business advantage. Handling high-volume recalls with machines like the Iolith AI30 eliminates all that drying downtime and secondary contamination. Instead of a massive headache, this tech turns recalls into a highly profitable, premium service that really builds customer trust. Ultimately, upgrading to dry ice technology isn't just about achieving a spotless engine, it's an essential, future-ready safeguard keeping modern repair shops out of the line of fire. And as a special thank you to our listeners, you can now enjoy 5% off your next purchase at Iolith. Just use the promo code IOLITH2026 at checkout. That's AIOLITH 2026. Don't miss out. Stay safe out there and keep innovating your workflow.